Dr. Hope Reyes. I am a pediatric physical therapist and certified breastfeeding specialist.
Hi, I'm Karyn Johnson-Fernandez, pediatric occupational therapist and feeding specialist.
And we have created comprehensive and collaborative tongue-tie therapy in San Diego.
We hope you enjoy the videos. Let us know if you have any questions and give us a like, a comment, or subscribe. Thanks.
Bye.
Under tongue lateral hold and lift. Use your index finger to slide under the tongue on either side of the frenulum. Lift the tongue up towards the palate and the opposite side of the mouth, holding for 3 seconds for a series of 3. Continue on the other side. If the child gags, the finger is too far back under the tongue. In this case, move your finger towards the front of the mouth to lift the tongue until they are more used to the feeling and you can put your finger further back again. So for under the tongue lateral lifts, you're going to use your index finger. Oh, that's a good stretch, buddy. And usually you want to play around the mouth a little bit before going in so that they know you're coming in. You can do some lateral gum massage, and then you're going to come in under the tongue on one side and swoop up. 1, 2, 3. And to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, buddy, good job.